Hello everyone. Today we will talk about ServiceNow and we will see how to submit an incident using ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform that helps you to automate your business processes. Without wasting time, let's get started. Log into your ServiceNow company portal and on the top left corner, type incident. You may have different options based on your company settings. Click on create new incident. On the next page, you will see various options that includes requester, location, summary. So requester means the person who has ID problem. So type their name and their name will pop up through Active Directory. Some of the options will be picked up automatically. Next, click on summary and type the summary of the problem. Next, in description, type the description of the problem. For example, I am unable to log in. Please help. This message will be sent to the IT team. Your location, contact information will automatically be picked up by the system. Click on channel and select the option that requester has used to contact you. Now select affected CI services. So when you start typing, it will automatically pop up a list of various catalog items. So because in this case our problem is login failed, so we will type account here because our issue is related to account. From the down drop list, please pick up the right option depending on your organization. Next, click on the impact, urgency and priority. The assignment group will be picked up automatically. This is the group who will help resolve the problem. At the bottom section, there is option called work notes. In this section, you will provide the detailed information about the problem. There are many other options and tabs on this page, and you don't need to fill in all those details on every tab. That all depends on that varies company to company and department to department. So some of the static information which are mandate information you already have filled in, that includes requester, summary, description, contact information, channel, impact, urgency, affected catalog items. You have already provided all that information on the page. So on the top right corner, there are few options that include submit, save, attach documents. So if you click on attach documents, it will allow you to attach a document or a screenshot. And after that, you can click on submit and the case will be submitted and the relevant team will pick up the case and start working on that. So this is the whole process how to submit an incident using ServiceNow. Thank you.